Alright, this is how to download and make your own Chris RENE ringtone 4 days after it was just brought out to the US. First thing you do is go on YouTube here, and you want to put Chris RENE in here in the search engine, and then after you pull him up, go ahead and go down to the one that says Chris RENE Young Homie Plus free download. Looks like this one right here. Then what you want to do is click on the Hulk share. You want to go to the download on the link hulkshare.com, and after you go to the link, you want to download it from Hulkshare. Once it's downloaded, you want to pull it up. Alright, once it's downloaded, if you don't have any other way of doing this like I don't, all I had was BlackBerry desktop. So what I did was go to BlackBerry desktop, and then I sync my music with my phone from my computer, which I just downloaded it to my computer. And after that, you should have it on your MP3 player on your phone, and which in turn you can make it a ringtone on your phone. Alright, that's simple enough, but that's for the BlackBerry. I don't know how to do it on the other ones. So, with that being said, go to YouTube, pull up the specific one that says Chris RENE X Factor Plus download, click on the link, which is http hulkshare.com, hulkshare.com, like the Incredible Hulk, share.com.
Hey,